Well, here we are on the last weekend of 2024 and decided to take advantage of the good weather we're having this weekend and come out to Redlands Ranch and just see what all's used in the water hole. Uh, Also took advantage of the opportunity and the good weather to move a little bit of dirt around, make it better from a photography standpoint. It was already great as it was, but there's a few mounds of dirt that were kind of in the way or animals would get behind it and you couldn't see it. So we took care of that earlier today. And so we're out for evening set. This is actually the third set in the blind. We got here yesterday, which is a Friday, and set in the blind for a couple of hours. Had a bunch of mule deer come in, 13 or 11 in all last night, 11 mule deer in all came out. Usual a lot of birds. The quail came in, doves, a lot of cardinals and different songbirds. And then came out again this morning. Mule deer showed back up again. 13 this morning, actually. There was more of them. It's pretty amazing when you're so close to these deer. I mean, when you're in the blind, it looks like they're far off. But when you get out of the blind and look back, you realize we're 8 yards from them. And in fact, you're shooting full-grown deer at 70 millimeters. You're so close to them. And again, the usual lot of birds kind of came this morning. We've had some flyovers from sandhill cranes. The cardinal showed up again this morning. Just heard a quail a few minutes ago. But the exciting thing this morning was we had a mountain bluebird show up and drink just 5 yards away from us here in the water hole. And I've seen mountain bluebirds in the past. I've never photographed one, but I've seen them in the distance because they migrate through here during this time of year. But it was just the lighting was beautiful. The red dirt was beautiful. The blue of the bird was beautiful. Everything kind of worked together to create a real colorful picture. And he sat there and drank for a minute or two, just completely unaware of our presence and at eye level with us. And I think that's what makes this Redlands Ranch experience so unique and so special, is the fact that you're at eye level with the animals. They're just feet away from you. And if they know you're there, they don't really care that you're there because they just don't pay much attention to you at all. And just to be that close and that intimate with these animals and be able to shoot them with 70 millimeters. So it's a pretty exciting time. So we're going to set out this evening, Saturday evening, do one more set in the morning before I head back home and just try to figure out what else we can see and hopefully get a few more good opportunities.